Ranger enables you to get a little bit more off-road on the weekends. It kind of crosses both things. You can have it during the week to get back and forth to work. It does what it's supposed to do, but on the weekends you can get out and enjoy yourself off-road. I'm very proud to drive a Ranger because I've seen it come from the very infancy at the start right up till now, where I can see one just about every second, third car on the road seems to be a Ranger in my eyes. I think you need to consider adding some adventure to your life. Even my friends are a bit worried about taking the unbeaten path and not sure if they'll get back or not on time, but just do it. You'll find you'll thoroughly enjoy yourself.